I guide you three ways to get your Instagram notes. So let's go to Instagram. So here you can find your note. Here you can add the music or you can add a prompt, you can add message and you can share to your followers that you follow back. So if you're not getting this Instagram notes, it is a latest feature. So you need to update your app for that. So go to your app store or Play Store. You can search for Instagram and if it shows open to you, then your app is full on date. And if it shows update, make sure you update your app. It will be up to date. And if this doesn't fix you, what you can do is that once reinstall your app by uninstalling it, and you can find your Instagram notes in the second way, or otherwise, you can go to your profile, tap on three lines. From there, if it is your professional account, make sure you change it to personal account. If it is personal account, make sure you change it to professional account. Sometimes it may be a bug that you can't get your Instagram notes. For that, you can go to creator tools and controls. You can switch to account type. Here you can switch to either business or personal or professional. By changing your Instagram account to professional or personal, you can get your Instagram notes. These are the three ways to get your Instagram notes. Thank you.